Google Gemini. Blend coarse salt in a blender to save money on expensive parrilla salt. I'll add about half a packet of coarse salt to a blender. Next, I'll cover it and pulse the blender. Don't blend continuously. Blend until the salt becomes very fine. Once done, set this salt aside. To enhance the parrilla salt, I'll add some black pepper. I'll grind it well. Then I'll set it aside. I'll also use some fried garlic. I'll mash it too. Now let's sift all our salt. The finer salt at the bottom is regular cooking salt. You can use it normally. The top part will be our parrilla salt. I've divided it to show the difference between fine and parrilla salt. Now I'll add black pepper and fried garlic to the parrilla salt. Folks, you don't need to use pepper or fried garlic if you don't want to. It's up to you. But it adds a special flavor. The more varied your salt, the pricier it'd be at the store. After mixing, your salt is ready. Perfect for your barbecue. I hope you enjoyed it. That's another recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Take care. See you next time.